Yo, what's good, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you three niches without any BS. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so first one I was looking at is the police bodycam space, and I found this channel, Bodycam Horror. They only have 49,000 subscribers, but if you look at the videos, 164K views, 217K views. It's kind of crazy for a channel this small. And if we look at the videos and the views he has generated, he's probably created like 20 to 25 plus grand all time just from this. And if you watch it, it's not that hard to make. You don't film anything. Bodycam footage is public record, so you just download it online, cut out all the boring data, and throw a quick AI voice at the start to explain the arrest and add a picture of the suspect for the thumbnail, and that's it. People are addicted to true crime, so they just watch the whole thing automatically. Next niche is the nostalgia space. So the channel that I found is Professor Blackwood, and as you can see, he is monetized, and this niche is very good because it targets older people like baby boomers. That is a great demographic to have watching your videos because advertisers just pay a shitload amount of money for them. On one of his videos, he's gotten 520K views with only 11K subs. So with the amount of views he's getting, he should have easily made like 5K plus by now. And if you look at the content, it's the lowest effort shit ever. It's literally just vintage pictures with a slow zoom effect and a voiceover. That's basically it. You just use AI to write a script about the good old days, grab some vintage photos, and put an AI voiceover over it. Older people hate fast editing anyway, so you barely even have to edit. Really great niche. Now the last niche I'm gonna show you is basically a cheat code for watch time. And as you can see, the videos here are 10 hours long. This absolutely boosts the algorithm because people leave it on all night to sleep. They're pulling like 201K views on each video. And with videos this long, you make a bunch of money even with little views. I would say they're probably making like 8K dollars say every single month without doing basically nothing. And if we look at the videos right here, you would just need to create a few videos like this with AI and just loop it until it's 10 hours without adding voiceovers or editing at all. The only thing you need to do is compiling the clip. Alright, so those are all the niches. Subscribe if you want more no BS vids like this, and peace.